Everyone, it's Li-Shang here at Subaru Puyallup, your stress-free dealership. I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to pair your Bluetooth Android to the all-new 2025 Forester. This is the touring model, so you'll have the 11.6-inch Multimedia Plus screen, and I'm going to go step-by-step on how to pair your Bluetooth and also your wireless Android Auto. So let's get started. First things first, I have to unlock my phone. You'll go to the multimedia screen, and to the right you'll see two buttons, and one will show a twin pair of phones. So you're going to press that button. You'll go to your device, find your Bluetooth icon. You're going to go to the Multimedia Plus screen, hit Manage Devices, which you'll hit Add. I'm going to be scanning for the Forester, because that is the device name, which is here. You click on the Forester. You will match the pin to your phone. Hit pair. It'll show an icon as well that says Android Auto detected, so it'll automatically connect your Android. So you just want to hit, to start the Android Auto, you want to hit yes to confirm. So I have an Ultra 22 Galaxy, so it'll say Li-Shang's Ultra. So once you confirm that, it'll show on the icon. So I can pair my phone. I can do the navigation, which is my Google Maps. I'll have my playlist through my YouTube. And also you can do a voice command text messages, or even call by hitting the voice command button on your steering wheel. Other than that, you're good to go. It was a quick step on how to pair your phone to the 2025 Forester.